Hello everyone, it's me, Edward, and today we're going to be doing Tonkatsu, or Japanese cutlets, which are quickly made and absolutely delicious. For today's recipe, you'll need a 1 centimeter thick slice of pork, half a cabbage, some Panko breadcrumbs, cup of rice, 1 egg, some flour, some cooking oil, and a sweet teriyaki sauce that you like. It is important to wash your rice before cooking. Pour out the leftover water. For 1 cup of rice, we use 1 1/3 of a cup of water. If you use more water while following this video, your rice may end up soggy. You can always use the exact same water to rice aspect ratio, and your rice will always turn out perfect. Bring your rice to a boil on a high heat. While your rice is getting to a boil, slice your meat chunks. When your rice starts to simmer, set the temperature to low and put on the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it up. Slice your cabbage into 2 and remove the core. Slice your cabbage as thinly as possible. That way, it will be more tasty to eat. Even the etymology of this dish called Tonkatsu is quite interesting. Ton meaning pork, katsu meaning cutlet, or winning. That's why this dish is mainly served before some competitions, to bring luck. Bring your oil to high temperature. Dip the pork into flour, then into egg mixture, and then into panko breadcrumbs. Make sure to cover both sides and even flip over and repeat the process. That way you get the best results. This dish can also be done with chicken thigh meat. It results in also very delicious katsu. Also, this dish has a lot of variations of serving katsu. For example, it can be served with curry, it can be served plain, like in this option. It can also be served in a sandwich form, which is mainly done with leftover tonkatsu. So make sure to make some more. To make tonkatsu sandwiches, between the slices of toast, you just put some cabbage, tonkatsu, and some teriyaki sauce. And bon appetit! After 10 minutes, once the rice are boiled, just take it off the heat and let it rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, place your power cutlets into high heat oil. You can flip the cutlets once you see golden brown corners forming. Keep on cooking till it's golden brown all the way through. Once you take them out, do make sure to season them with salt. Soak your wooden spatula with water so that the rice doesn't stick. Fluff your rice and then you can serve. Lay on that perfectly delicious tonkatsu. Drizzle that sweet teriyaki sauce all over it, because the more teriyaki sauce, the tastier it gets. And just like this, through 20 to 25 minutes, you can make amazing tasty Japanese cutlet while the rice is cooking. Bon appetit! If you want to see more of my delicious recipes, do make sure to like and subscribe.